In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your 4,000 watch hour in just one day. Yes, you heard that right. 4,000 watch hour in only 24 hours. Now imagine this for a second. You go to bed tonight with just 100 watch hours on your channel, and you wake up tomorrow to see 4,000 watch hour. YouTube just sent you an email saying, congratulations, you are now eligible for monetization. That feeling, right? That's what every small creator dreams about. And here's the amazing part. You don't have to post daily. You don't even need to go viral. All you need to do is turn on one simple setting, just one. This sounds unbelievable, right? Because once you flip that switch, your channel can start gaining watch hours while you sleep. But before you rush off to your YouTube studio to find that setting, hold up. I know exactly what you're thinking. This is finally the secret to getting monetized overnight. But to be honest with you, that's not how it works. There is no magic button, no hidden switch. But there is a strategy that works almost like magic. A method that smart creators use to hit 4,000 watch hours faster. And that's what I'm going to break down for you in this video. So grab a drink, sit tight, because what I'm about to share might completely change how you grow on YouTube. Let's start with what most people get wrong. 4,000 watch hour doesn't mean 4,000 views. It means people have collectively watched your videos for 240,000 minutes. And that's huge, to be honest. But here's the tricky part. Not every view counts. Only public watch hours on long form video count towards monetization. Your short views doesn't count. Private or unlisted videos also don't count. So if you have been uploading shorts only, that's why your watch hours aren't moving. Now, the good news is it's 100% possible to hit 4,000 hours even with a small audience. And you don't need millions of views. What you actually really need is retention, people staying on your videos. Think about it. Would you rather get 1,000 people watching for 10 seconds or 100 people watching for 10 minutes? That's 10 times more watch time with fewer people. That's how smart creators win. So let's talk about the real method to reach 4,000 watch hours faster. First, make searchable content. Don't just chase trends, solve problems. People are always searching things like how to grow on YouTube, how to make money online, how to bake cake, how to pass exams. If your videos answer that questions clearly, YouTube will keep showing it to more people over time. That's evergreen watch time that keeps growing even while you sleep. The second thing is to hook viewers in the first 30 seconds. Most people click off videos within the first half minute. If you can make them stay past that, your average watch time duration shoots up. Use curiosity, energy, or storytelling right at the start, just like how I did in this video. Point number 3, turn your short ideas into long videos. If your shorts are doing well, stretch them into 3 to 8 minute explainers or reactions. People already love the topic. Now give them more depth. That's how you can convert views into watch hours. Point number 4, stay consistent, but be smart. Be consistent, but smart. Posting every day doesn't guarantee growth. Posting strategically does. 2 to 3 quality videos per week is enough if you are learning from your analytics. Now let's go back to one setting I mentioned earlier. Here is what it actually says and what it actually is. Your mindset and analytics settings. Because the real switch that actually changes your channel isn't a button in YouTube Studio. It's how you read your data. Go to your YouTube Studio, then analytics, then audience retention. That graph you see right there, that's where the gold is. It tells you where people stop watching. Find that drop point and ask yourself, what happened here? Was I talking too slow? Did the topic shift? Fixing those small details will increase your average watch time dramatically. And when your average view duration goes up, YouTube automatically recommends your video to more people. That's how your channel grows naturally and your watch hours multiply. Now, let me give you some extra tip that will push you closer to 4,000 watch hour. Create bingeable content, videos that connect to each other. For example, if you do tutorials, make part 1, part 2, and part 3. And then add them to a playlist so that people can watch multiple videos in a row. Playlist can quietly boost your watch hours massively. Repurpose your content. Clip the best part of your long videos into shorts, then link back to the full video in the description or pinned comments. That's how to funnel short form viewers into your long form videos. Also, focus on storytelling. Even if your channel is educational, make it feel like a journey. Start with a problem, add curiosity, and finish with a transformation. Stories make people stay till the end. So here is the truth. There is no one-click setting that gives you 4,000 watch hour overnight, but there's a proven formula that can get you there faster than most people think. Create searchable, watchable, relatable videos and keep people watching till the end. If you stay consistent with that for even 30 to 60 days, you will see your watch hour jump from hundreds to thousands. And when that monetization email finally lands in your inbox, you will know that you did it the right way, not with shortcuts, but with strategy. If this video helped you, please like this particular video, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me how many watch hours you have gotten right now. Let's see how close you are to monetization. I'll reply with a few tips that can help your channel grow personally. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. This is N with Nneka. Bye, guys.